What is the least common denominator, or LCD, of these fractions? Let us write down the prime factorization of each of our denominators. So 5 I will simply write as 5. 8 is 2 times 4, which can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. Those are prime factors. 12 is 3 times 4, and 4 can be written as 2 times 2. And 6 is 2 times 3. So now I have all of those denominators written as the multiplication of the prime factors. Now let's see if we can find out the least number that contains all of them. We will need a 5. We will need 2 times 2 times 2. We will need a 3. We need 2 times 2, which we already have. We need a 2, which we already have. And we need a 3, which we already have. Now usually when we are writing out the prime factors, we like to write them in order from smallest to largest. So I will go ahead and do that. From there, we need to multiply out and find out what the product of these numbers is. Let's do the easiest thing we can. I see that 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So we get 120 for our least common denominator. All right, let's go on to another problem. In the denominator we have a 15, a 25, and a 30, and we are looking for the least common denominator. 15 can be written as 3 times 5. 25 can be written as 5 times 5. 30 can be written as 5 times 6, and 6 can be written as 2 times 3. So there is the prime factorization of each of our denominators. To find the least common denominator, I need all of 15, so I need 3 times 5. I need all of 25, so I need 5 and another 5. I have 5. Here's another 5. I need 5. I have 1. I need a 2. I do not have that. I need a 3, and I already have that. Let's write this out. Smallest numbers first. That is the prime factorization of our least common denominator, and at this point all I need to do is multiply the numbers together. Again, I'm looking for easy, so I see that 2 times 5 happens to be 10, 3 times 5 is 15, and multiplying those together I get 150. So 150 is the smallest denominator that you could use for these three fractions.